many ideas at any time. For example, right now I have 16 projects that I just started on customer experience. I I gave it to a group of people to run, and every idea has four or five people from various groups collaborating on it. What I do is I ask for a report. People report on a monthly basis, but I selectively parachute and engage to see exactly what's happening. I have to admit I'm a micromanager, but not the micromanager who's there the whole time. I like to see the detail, but as soon as I'm happy and it's quick, I'm out.